when I said I wanted to make a new game for chat, well, it was a couple of weeks ago, actually, 2 weeks ago. So this is 2 weeks' work. It is not a game yet. Kind of looks like a game. I'm really just demonstrating some animation. So there's a little character testing out animations. The buildings, like the towers and the barricades, rebuild every once in a while. Gotta look close, actually. It's a tiny game. 10% of the screen, bottom of the screen. What I'm testing is like, hey, I'm actually using a full screen application in a layer on OBS. Does that ruin things? I mean, can we have nice things? That's the question. And the best test that I got is let's run Valorant, because that's the hog. I mean, OBS is not great either, but Valorant just can't run appropriately. Did just update, and I'm looking at the task manager right now. I swear to goodness, Valorant is running at, is that right? 5% of my GPU? That's tiny. Like less than 3% of CPU, and I mean, it's still 20% of my memory, but like, dag, that's like something. Did something just happen in the update? Did Riot fix their software? Like, oh my goodness, like what are we looking at here? Let's jump in a match. I bet it's going to be like this. Pegged at 144 frames for half of a match. It's going to start to dip, maybe go really bad. I tested a couple of times earlier today, and I concluded that I could, these tests
Match found.
Inconclusive. That's what I concluded. In other words, I wasn't sure that what I was seeing had anything to do with what I've changed, which is let's add a new layer on OBS, a new game running in the background. It's small. What I got from it, though, because I couldn't find anything else definitive, was perhaps my little game is using a lot of CPU. I hadn't really thought of that. It's like there's nothing there. Like, really isn't much. It's dodging team deathmatch. That said, I did go back and, like, because it really is nothing, there aren't many tools at all in the project, I was able to go through each script and just make it as absolutely lean as possible. There really wasn't much, but if I could stop something from running, I would. If I could, you know, check to see if I could stop where I was and you know, continue on with other things I did. So it's as lean as possible. So I am now using as little CPU as I can possibly do. That said, it's still kind of more CPU than I thought it would take. I think then it is just the fact that it's a full screen application. This is 1080p, running at 15 frames per second. That's not much, but it's plenty for this game. This game is not meant to be high fidelity at all. In fact, it looks fine. You can't tell the difference. So that's fine. If it's actually limited to 15 frames a second, that's better. The CPU is as lean as it can be. I think I got it. Interestingly, the things that are in the application right now are back-end things, so I was actually confronted with like, hold on, is my debug text actually eating up CPU? It's like weird things I hadn't thought of. Like, so I would expect graphics or animation to be taking up
Time to jump.
GPU, of course.
Tremor.
Phoenix.
Reloading.
Okay, I'm gonna peek and I'm gonna die.
Killed them. Decoy.
Get lost.
Portal closed.
Charge your ults.
I heard them all. I did nothing about it. Yep, pegged at 144, and it's starting to dip a little bit. Yes, it feels really smooth. That was the thing. After this last round of tests, I got frustrated I couldn't see a GPU problem specifically. What I concluded was, regardless of what my frame rate is, maybe it's the fact that my CPU is getting taxed that's causing more problems than I expect. Like, maybe that's what feels choppy or sluggish, or actually in the extreme goes to a slideshow.
Good offender.
Boy, I took the entire clip.
My ult's not ready. Decoy.
Taken out.
Clearing out.
It really does feel smooth now, and it's not pegged at 144. Hey, what's up? Hey, you want to change numbers?
My ult's ready.
Okay, Boomer. Now today we just exchange, long
Cutting
protein
through.
strings.
That's not ready.
We got
I'll handle this.
this. That. This. That. This.
I'm back.
We do this.
Four down. Bye-bye.
Demons on a rampage.
Phoenix killed.
Not 144,
Take this.
which actually seems like a good sign, because that tells me the same old junk that I've been dealing with is still happening, but the impact is less. It's actually really cool. Counterintuitively, I like the fact that I'm getting a little less than 144. It definitely feels smooth. It's just, there's something about, if I'm correct, it's something about the CPU that's actually making it feel smooth.
Idiots.
Yep, just like that.
My ult's not ready.
Swear.
Deep in.
This is the kind of gameplay that I can actually learn from. This is the kind of gameplay that helps me get better.
Nice try.
I need to put my cursor in the right place. Oh, how did I not capitalize on all those opponents getting blinded?
Cutting through.
Oops.
Double.
Take that.
Reloading.
Time to jump.
Take this.
Take this.
Nice try.
Wow, this feels crazy smooth. And it is not at 144. I'm kind of just marveling at this. So, what did I do?
Here we go.
A lot of the same stuff that I've been doing to make sure it's fast, which is managing the priorities of the processes. So like Valorant gets maximum priority. Like real time is what it's called. Task manager, go to details, make it real time priority.
My territory! My
Gave OBS a little bit more than normal.
I have them now!
Both my avatar and the game get a little bit below normal. And that's pretty much all I did. I mean, aside from going into the new game and making sure that it was in fact lean. If it's, you know, using a... Excuse me, I just ate. If I'm using up CPU just by not being as efficient as I can, then evidently I have to be kind of careful with this game about efficiency. Oh, right. Thanks, dude. Oh, everyone is blinding me.
Bad luck. My ult's ready.
No. Right in the middle of my ult. Damn, that's just the worst everything. You know, dude, I'm gonna have to report you, bro. Bro, how are you not blind? How? Okay, now it's dipping just below 100.
Blinding.
Damn, I could sneak through
Go,
that.
go, go!
15 kills remaining.
But being in a game where one of my teammates is Neon, because she's got a headshot kill baseline that says nice try. Lefty's yours, nice try.
Nice try. Who's next? Hey. Nice try. Flash out.
Coming through! I'm out of here!
Bro! Okay.
My ult's not ready. Decoy.
5 kills remaining.
Time to jump. Blinding.
1 minute remaining.
It's time.
Anyone else? Not bad.
So what are we seeing here? So again, I'm testing. And, I mean, I guess if you really wanted to get my attention, you could use the secret commands. But, secrets. There. Whoa. Twitch app. This Twitch app is such garbage. I mean, can anyone make software anymore? This is so terrible. in particular, the Twitch app is just absolute trash. And they keep updating it, which is hilarious. I mean, one would think someone's going to get fired. There we go. So, yeah. Straight into another game. I'm stress testing. That's exactly what this is called, because this is an edge case. This is the most taxing application. I've never seen a game tax this machine so much. It's kind of ridiculous what I've had to do to get Valorant to run at speed consistently.
Match
So
found.
this is a stress test because here I'm adding another load to my machine and saying, can you still handle it? I'm hoping it can, but also I'm working out what I can do,
I'll fight anybody.
like I said,
I'll
on
fight
my
everybody.
end with making my game more lean so it runs better. That last game was really good all the way through, actually. It did start at 144. It almost immediately started to go down. The lowest it got to was about 90. If I have to suffer 90 frames a second, I don't mind at all. That's fantastic. And actually, I should take a look, actually. Look at OBS. See, this is also a huge difference. My previous test, I was dropping so many frames, and my speed was stupid slow. The upload speed. It's a totally different profile now. So this is like night and day. OBS was absolutely struggling last test, like a few minutes ago. And I mean, I guess the only change is what I did to make my game more lean. You know, there were some output settings that I definitely tweaked as well, because this game is dead simple. I don't even want anti-aliasing. I absolutely want the pixelated look, so I chalked the quality all the way down to the bottom. The visual quality, there's no lighting. I mean, it's just, it should be as straightforward as anything. So I threw the Unity player's quality level down on the floor. And that could have a big impact on OBS, as a matter of fact. The other option is just to roll the dice, and I happen to have a good connection to Twitch from my OBS. I don't know. I have no idea. What I'm hoping is that it is something under my control, and that I've been able to control it, and that it will consistently be better. That's kind of the goal. See if that works.
Here.
Begin.
Over there. Here. 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 Nice try.
One less. Reloading. Here.
Cutting through.
Oh, what's up? What's on? I should have just teleported behind her.
Hey. Nice try. My ult's not ready.
Let's spread out.
Ultimate
Healing,
force.
please.
Cutting through.
Reloading.
Decoy.
Whoa, they're all up in our stuff, guys.
Reloading.
What are we doing? Wow. Clearly, we are getting owned and our team is not going to try.
New stage in 10.
Oh, come on. I need to put my crosshair in the right place, but...
Stage 2.
Headshot.
Get down.
One dead.
I did put a lot of bullets in down, so... Excuse me. Again, dipping below 144. Still feels crazy smooth. And I'm guessing the connection to Twitch is still good, so the stream is probably looking smooth as well.
Decoy.
I guess I'm really worried about streaming, technical streaming stuff. Nice. That's a good thing.
Time to jump.
Enough. Here.
Until stage change.
Slammer.
Fire in the hole.
Stage 3.
Finished. Buried.
This other team is totally owning us, so I'm like, dudes are like right there, aren't they? Oh, we've got 2 AFK. No wonder.
Blinded.
New stage in 10. Final stage.
Goodbye.
Reyna killed. Reloading.
Decoy. Breaking. Reloading.
Reloading.
Take it out.
Tell you something, right now, I'm playing a game. Oh, of course, as soon as I said that, the moment I said that,
Charge your ults.
it goes down to like 50 frames a second.
Blinded.
That's the lowest I've seen so
Making cover.
far.
Reloading.
Okay. I'm going to take that as a sign that now is a good time to check. First, I'm going to look and see if things are still running smooth on OBS. Do I see any crazy big process? No, I don't, actually. I'm looking. Nope. Okay. Whoa. So we basically have the whole team here. Okay, Jet is right here. Jet is here. Bro. Yeah, we got nothing. I'd like you guys to fight, though. Don't just give up. Come on. It's more fun when it's like a team game, not 5-on-1 for real. Just try. It's okay. Jeez, you guys totally gave up. Sad. Damn, how can she see when she's blind? There we go. And it slowed again to like 57. Yeah, lots of people went AFK. I mean, I think I went AFK because I had to check my processes. Oh, they weren't there at all. I mean, yeah, this is part of the account farming curse we all have to live through. Excuse me, my goodness. Clearly I ate too fast. Sorry about that. I like this one. Well, okay. Yeah, there are processes running. Oh, hi, Outlook. Yeah, no, I never want to use Outlook, ever. Microsoft, you can stop. I'm just not going to get your products. No. I have to use Windows. That's it. Just get over it. Well, not going to make things better. Let's try it out. Need to use my ultimate. Okay, I need 5 ultimates. Can I do that in one game? No. But I can do that 2, maybe. Maybe 3. 3 games. Evidently no one's playing Team Deathmatch. In North America. Okay. 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 Wow, I had planned to actually place again this act, but or this chapter, or whatever it's called. But I have no desire. No desire. Do I have enough to... 8. Whatever. Another brilliant idea. Let's do Kingdom credits. Feed from Twitch is a few seconds behind, like 10. While I'm waiting to match, go and triple check my resources. Yeah, my game is now using almost no CPU at all. I actually did some good there. What they call optimization. It's still using about twice as much GPU as my avatar does. I guess that's not bad, frankly. Avatar's tiny. This thing's huge.
I'll fight anybody.
So it looks like I have
I'll
some
fight
improvements.
everybody.
Stability, optimization, which is crazy to do. I haven't even started the game code. So crazy. But I did want to make sure that if the whole point is have this game run while I do other things, let's stress test it. Let's make sure it's going to run while I play Valorant, for example. Earlier test, I was running into the same problems and having to kill processes, and I was just feeling like just took 2 big steps back, and somebody came in and followed and like wanted to chat, and I saw that they were in chat. What I didn't see was that I had killed the process that makes my microphone work. So they couldn't hear me. My avatar was just sitting there, and I thought I was talking to him, but no. I guess that's streamer life? I don't know. What do I know?
Here. Hey, nice try.
Let the killing begin.
Taken out. To disappoint. Nice try.
Nice try. Back off. Decoy.
Ultimate orb spotted.
Ouch.
They heard me. They heard me. I was being sneaky. They totally heard me. Hey, bro. Now see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, this kind of one-on-one fight, no way can I do that with low frame rates. But when I'm pegged at 144, I can move and shoot.
Seconds until stage
Like,
change.
I can finally take on people in a 1v1 instead of only playing rat plays, because that's all I can do.
Stage 2.
said, I actually need to engage that way, otherwise I'm screwed. And of course cursor. But that's, you know, me sitting there and moving around while engaged in a fight with somebody. Dang, it's like I'm actually playing Valorant.
I'm out of here.
Ultimate orb spawning.
Neutralized.
Back soon.
Go, go, go!
Fake teleport. Lights out.
Oldest trick in the book. I feel like I can actually do things now at this frame rate, you know? So, okay. So far so good. It is fairly smooth. It did dip down below 60 last match. So, can we have nice things, or is that just a...
Watch out!
Fall back. Won't happen again. Don't get up.
Ultimate orb spawning.
That's not ready. Cutting through.
Stay down.
If there wasn't his buddy there, I would have had the drop on him. Oh, I had the whole plan. The whole plan.
Sight.
Okay, give me this.
Still in sight.
My ult's ready. I'll handle this. Decoy. Enemy down. That's not ready.
Back up!
I'm back.
Oh, dude, they were all there.
3.
I don't think that was good use of my ults.
You're done.
Stand aside.
Time to jump.
Get out of my way!
Over here.
Not bad.
Decoy.
Oh, got stuck.
Blocking sight.
Charge your ults.
I mean, I really feel like I can actually play. I feel like I've been severely handicapped this whole time, and I can actually play now. As long as I, you know, play.
The hunt begins. I suggest you move.
What the?
Here.
Adapt or die!
Well, I'd like my ghost. Thank you very much, guys, for reminding me how to get the ghost.
My ult is ready. What now?
Most useless ult ever.
Decoy.
No distraction.
So now looking at the mini map. Isn't that pretty? That mini map is so pretty.
Ground. Next! This way!
That's not ready. Cutting through.
Reloading!
I should have just waited 3 seconds. I would have had the drop.
Charge your ults. Kills remaining.
Here we go!
Lights out.
Pathetic.
Eagle.
5 kills left.
I mean, I know it's a good test, or I know it's a good result when kind of forgot that I was testing. I was actually able to play the game. I mean, I'm terrible. Let's be clear about that. But I'm gonna be able to get better. First of all, fewer than 10 deaths, please, in team deathmatch. And then, I can work on more kills, yeah? Could not care less about this battle pass. I mean, come on, dude. You made a lava lamp, but you didn't make it move. I mean, even just to rotate would have been fine. I'm sorry, what? Like, that's such an obvious move that it says, wow, you guys really are asleep. Really not paying attention, really not going for, I don't know, what do they call it? Excellence, that's what it's called. And, yeah, no. Yeah, no. No. Absolutely not. Six headshots. 4 ultimates. No problem. Yeah, no one is playing right now. That's so wild. No one is playing. Hmm. Hey, you wanna look at my... Yeah. Random. So this is not testing because frame rates are pegged at, what, 30? No, 60 in Valorant when it's in a menu, so that's what I set it to. So I'm not testing. I would like to test, please. Get me in a match now, please. Bro, I'm queuing TDM and it's going 3 minutes? Come on now. I mean, they did have an update, but come on. Bro. Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of people playing anymore at all. A lot of these people actually stopped. Oh. A lot of them did. Wow. Nobody's playing. Okay, I know I'm being impatient, but let's go. Nope, don't want the animation. Nope. Now, see, wait a minute. I actually got all the versions. Yeah, it felt like a waste. That said, don't I have... Yeah. Yeah, I got all versions there too. This one. Wait, I don't have purple? Dude, we're going 5 minutes. This feels like the only valid version of the new plastic line. You know, for a Battle Pass skin, that's kind of clean, actually. I just don't like the Stinger as much. Yeah, I guess this is the next one I would do. Purple. That's why. Bro, you gotta be joking me. Well, do I have to end the test because I can't queue into anything? I mean, did Valorant just stop? Like, I don't get it. Wait, they all have version mismatched. Am I the one who's mismatched? Do I need to update? But I just updated. Like, I literally just updated before I started. So I thought I was the one who was up to date. Surely they didn't do 2 updates in, like, an hour. Did they? Most boring stream ever? Okay, sure. Let's look at the splash screen. This style of animation where you have a still image that you take pieces of and you can rotate them, scale them, you know, and with lots of pieces you can make it look like it's 3D, because that's not 3D, actually. This is scaled, this is, you know, just really good, tricky stuff, old school animation layers and things. That's the kind of animation I want to do on Shuffle Wars, for the opening cinematic, for story, the opening story, closing story in the campaign. And I think it's yeah, whenever you do a new match, there's an opening story and closing story. And I want animation, and it's going to be simple, stylized graphic characters and stuff, so I don't have to force 3D like that. I don't have to do anything complicated. I'm just going to have layers and gentle movement. Yeah. I hadn't thought about doing like a comic book style, but that would be another option when you do it that Okay, I honestly don't think Valorant is coming back. I don't know what's going on. It, like, just stopped. So, I guess I'm done with stream. I wanted to test this, but I honestly don't think I can. The matches we did looked pretty cool. And that was good. We actually kept a smooth gameplay with this test game running. Just keep the game running. With this test game running and, little animations, you can see the buildings build up. Yeah, it's pretty successful. So, with all of this done, and just to sort of prove the point, FPS low, to go even lower, says it's now at 15. Yeah, I don't need that. How about this? Let's bring it back up to 20. Or 15. And check it out. I could turn the queue on. Wait, I did not do the command correctly. These are admin commands. No one else is going to be able to have this power, but I can turn on the queue. So it's toggled on, and now people could join, and I could be one of those people. I could say, give me next, and now I'm in the queue. And anyone can list the queue. And wait, did I get in the queue? Oh, it is suspended. I thought I toggled it. There, now it's open. Sorry. Okay. So now I'm in the queue, and I can list the queue. Anyone can list the queue, see who's in it. Just me. But if there were two, it would automatically match. I would be player 1, someone else would be player 2. Let me play. As an admin, though, there's going to be times when I need to do things like kick someone out of the queue, or force quit the game, or, Well, we could do that, actually. Force, what's it called? Force end? Yeah. So now when I list the queue, I don't think anyone's in it. Oh, I am in it. Well, let's kick me out of the queue. There we go. Now no one's in the queue. Okay, so cool. And, these little admin commands, they would seem to be an afterthought, except actually, no, I need players in order for the game to work. I'm going to need players to test the game. So even before I start coding the game, I'm going to need to have all this stuff in place. Well, now it's in place. We have a little dude walking around. We have buildings. They build. The tower, I swear, watch what's going on when the tower is built. It is animating very slowly. It's just tick, tick, tick. But there are 6 frames, and I swear, like, you need to recruit an engineer to build, and I swear I needed to engineer a tower in order to show the construction of a tower, because I needed to figure out exactly how this was going to be constructed. I've, given some thought to this. I know, for example, that I may want boiling oil to be poured from the tower down on marauders below, and there are actually slots that are in the construction of the tower just for that purpose, just like a real tower in medieval construction. So I literally built this thing with the timber in the middle to like support where the archers need to go and blah blah blah. There's a door. Like, I mean, seriously, it's a little over engineered, but it took a good 3 or 4 hours to animate this thing, because which is just really drawing it, but I was animating the building of the tower, which meant I needed to engineer the whole thing. It was kind of crazy. I don't think anyone's going to notice the details. It's just going to be a tower with a little archer that pops up and shoots arrows. But, well, this is why I do it, because it's fun. So, I think it's a pretty good test, actually. I realized I could probably make my game a little leaner in terms of CPU, and it looks like I did that. It's actually a lot leaner in CPU. It's still about twice as much GPU as my avatar. That's been consistent, so I think that's a factor of the screen space that it needs to display. The avatar actually uses a ton more memory, and that makes sense because it's got lots of sounds. Like, the whole sound mixing thing for the jungle is in the avatar, so it totally makes sense. So I guess I was able to play Valorant with the game. We'll know more once I get more of the game together and try it again, but I think that was pretty good. Tomorrow I'll stream normal. I'll do Friday game design, which I guess I do have stuff to talk about in terms of the new game. The gold economy. You get gold from the mines and spend it, and the distribution of the cost of things is something I've been thinking about. I guess it's one thing we can talk about, but mostly I just want to get more of this game code together, because I know a lot of the rules already and I just need to implement them. So I'll start that Friday, tomorrow. Continue Saturday, Sunday, because what else am I going to do? Play Valorant? Oh wait, I could. I didn't expect to do another hour stream, but here we are. Isn't that funny? I guess have fun. Take care. Do well. Be good. See ya.